And the second place from San Laurel, Seattle, Xavier Holmes. And your gold medal winner, Cadet Lynn Saber, PDX Fencing, Michael Fairhead.
It's a beat attack, buddy.
Congratulations, Cadet Lynn Saber medalist.
Disengage, round is 4. Disengage. Your hand is a little too busy. Yeah, a little simpler, okay? Legs, sit down your legs, you got it. Smaller hands, smaller tip. Nice. Nice finish, Taylor. Stay over your center. Nice touch, dude. Really nice touch. Good idea. I want to see better posture from you, okay? Better posture.
Yeah, focus, okay?
So you're just kind of spreading out, reaching. Let him attack, so you turn.
Y10 Women's FA, Valerie Wong. Valerie Wong from Canada. You have just a couple minutes to check in for your 2 o'clock event. Otherwise, you will be scratched.